Today I will show you how you can earn $60 and more per day just by doing simple tasks. This work and tasks can be done by anyone who is interested, and students can do this very easily from home. The website we are going to use today pays you instantly after completion of single task. As soon as you complete one task, the specified amount of money can be withdrawn. The payment method available here is PayPal, so make sure you have PayPal account before start earning on this site. So quickly go in description, click on link of website, and you will get directed to Taskverse. As you can see here, this website is worldwide and pays for completing tasks. Now click on Continue with Google and select your personal account. Enter your correct legit name and date of birth and click on Next Step. After that, fill these form correctly without any mistakes and wrong data and click on Next. Now this is important step. Add here every language that you know good. By adding every language you know will get you more and more new tasks rapidly and click on Next. Again, fill this and click on Next. And on next step, you can add here your PayPal email address on which you want to receive your payments. Make sure to enter email correctly for receiving money. After creating account successfully, get on dashboard. Here you can get various tasks. As you can see here is one of the task facial expression. Here you just have to make your simple 6 short videos with different expressions and submit here, and you will get paid $10 just for this simple task. You can get various tasks like reading an article with your known language and various tasks which pays you up to $30 to $40 per single task. Give every possible answer to question asked by website to get more tasks. This way you can earn by doing simple tasks. Subscribe Unique Earnings for more earning tricks.